Alright guys, good morning. I'm here today with Ash. What's your name on Instagram? AshBeautyStudio?
Yeah, my name is AshBeautyStudio on Instagram.
Oh my god, and tell them what you are and what you do.
Okay, so I am a makeup artist. I specialize in mostly dramatic looks. Like, that's what I'm known for. Glitter, neon colors. I'm all about that.
Yeah, I'm about that life. Oh my god. You're taller than me, Ash.
Really?
Started. Alright, so we are continuing with our Divas of December, you guys. And today's featured artist is AshBeautyStudio. And as you heard, she's from Instagram, all that good stuff. She specializes in dramatic makeup. I've seen her work, so in my opinion, she does everything. But I think her preference, her specialty, she said, is dramatic makeup. So, this I get thumbs up today. So I'm excited.
Yes.
Oh, and we're filming again at
Mirror JA. Yes. That's where I'm located, so yeah.
I heard that Mirror has most of the top makeup artists here.
I'm going to moisturize her skin.
One thing I admire about all you guys, you take pride in prepping the client's face.
It's really good.
That was crazy to me. I might say, oh, you know, because I know I'm like it's oily.
Yeah.
No, I know it's a little bit of oil just on my nose. That's the only place. Everywhere else just is like not now. One I said, Jesus. I have to take it off. Oh my god. It was really good. I really love that primer.
It's really good.
I need it.
I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock. I'm going to use two primers on it. But this is one of them that I'm going to use.
So how long have you been doing makeup?
Well, I've been doing makeup since I was 14 years old. When I was going to Andrews.
Yeah. Oh, you mean Sandra,
yeah.
right? I got
Yes, I've been doing it for a long time, but I just started taking it like seriously, like probably 4 years ago.
Right. So you've been doing it professionally for 4 years?
Yeah.
Wow, Ash, your work. So how often do you do makeup? Like every day?
Yeah, basically.
You see, that's the thing. That's how you guys are so good because you do it almost every day. So you get accustomed to it. Work clean.
Second time I'm using on is the Tasha Silk Canvas.
Tasha Silk Canvas?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
But I have to phrase the question like I don't know. Because so tell me what you work for. I have to phrase, so have you worked with any?
Yeah, so I've worked with a lot of people. So I've worked with Jada Kingdom, I've worked with Daniel D.I., I've worked with Angel, I've worked with what else have I worked with? Coldness.
Yeah, like that. Oh yeah. What's your favorite thing about makeup? Would that be the eyes, the lashes, the contouring? What's your favorite aspect about that?
My favorite thing about makeup is probably foundation. I really like full coverage foundation. Yeah, I really love full coverage.
Yeah.
Like, I will experiment with foundation. And I love eyes as well,
yeah.
But I feel like I just love the fact that foundation can literally make your skin look like healthy, perfect. Like I just love that about foundation.
Have you always, you said 14 at St. Andrews, you've always been attracted to the arts or just makeup specifically?
The arts, because I like anything. I'm a very practical person, so I feel like if I wasn't doing makeup, I would still be working with my hands. So like interior design, I like designing clothes, I like those type of stuff.
Okay. Yeah. You have a YouTube channel?
No, I don't. But people keep on saying
it's a lot of work.
Right.
If you don't want to, don't be forced.
I feel like people who do YouTube, I feel like there's people who are passionate about those type of stuff.
But I think you are passionate, but I just think you're busy because you work here.
True.
Clients come in and like, I didn't know, to be honest, I didn't know that people just walk in and get their makeup done.
It's crazy. I didn't expect, it's so funny because when I just started like working at the plaza, my mother was worried because she's like, people don't just walk into a makeup store to do makeup. How are you going to pay rent? How are you going to, and I was like, listen, it's going to work because I said it's going to work.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. I remember the first day I worked on the plaza.
Always watch your videos.
Oh, hi!
LyricRochester, always watch your videos.
Oh, yeah, oh my god, thank you so much. What's your name?
Ordine.
Ordine?
Yeah.
Why? You're sexy little Ordine. So you like makeup, Ordine?
Yes.
Yeah, man, Addy. Buy something, man. Got a lip gloss or something.
That's what that
A lot of hair.
Yeah.
I'm a fan now, right? Now
Yeah.
to make sure say.
Yeah.
Because her face became popular because I always see her on the page.
She actually was working with at Humorous Slumber. Yeah, she was one of the people who performed there. Okay. Yeah, so it's a big thing.
It really is.
They're very influential.
Yeah.
Especially on social media. And they have really big fans, like they have a huge fan base.
Her. Because, bruh, I don't know. And I tell everybody who I work with, I mean, for this series, I feel like I'm aggressively just showing people that I'm not the only one in there. You get what I'm saying? Because I feel like when that happens, when I put on that pedestal, that you don't necessarily want to be on, you have to be on. Because I'm not the only one who doubles with me.
Yeah.
I'm not the only one who does that level to it. I'm going to tell them, I say, you know what, they put my face together better than me, I'm going to first at this thing, you know what I mean? I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of competition. You see me or me, kind of the same thing to the same. I'm not afraid of that. I just feel like in this industry, there's a lot lacking in terms of camaraderie and just the appreciation for the art. Because I kind of like, you know, because I want to say, I'm going to say that girl, this year I'm done her. But I say, but yeah, I make up look good still. I'm appreciating your art, even though I do not physically like it as a person. But we don't know how to separate the two. You get what I'm saying? You can do bomb makeup and then I'm not like your makeup shitty, but that's not the case. I feel like we've lost that, and as creatives, as artists, we need to just understand one, how to separate and also just appreciate. Because it takes a lot to do somebody else's, figure out somebody's face. I don't know what half of them something me with them I come from, I don't know. So I have to kind of trust you as an artist for doing me know you can do. I just feel like it's lacking, yeah. That we just want to fully for ourselves. I mean, like that.
It's selfish.
Yeah, it really
Which
is.
is why I commend you all the time for bringing us as artists together.
Yes,
and
yes.
it's not any bad mind, not any ways, not
Yes.
you know, it's just all love and appreciation for each other and for craft.
Yeah.
So that's what I really like about them now. And the fact that they try to improve us in everything that they do.
Yeah.
Working with different brands and companies.
Yes.
It's really, really good.
Yes.
Where you get that from? The Chinese place?
Fish pop.
It's on this plaza?
That's a walk, you know what?
Fish pot in here? Oh, up KFC side?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, too sugar then.
Want this one?
Hey, of course, I this one. But now you see, now that I'm going to eat that, so I'm going to miss me for this in the day. And so that I don't want to eat my name, but like.
Are the hatchet something like?
Yes, all right.
Yeah, it's like different types of shrimp in it.
How much we eat?
It's like $9.55.
Oh God, that's so good. Show me which cheese. Not everything's not gonna come out fucking about. What's out of Ash? What's wrong with her?
It's put the line.
Oh. Those foods. Okay.
Then so that some people come and don't warn, okay? For a space, I'll make sure they warn you. Put them out face and jump.
Drunk them. Bathing suit whenever I go there. And they bring it to me?
Yeah, they bring it.
I'm very confused right now. Tacos sell in Jamaica?
Yes.
This is what it said?
Yeah.
No.
Oh God, it should have been on Tuesday. When on Tuesdays they have like Taco Tuesday, so it's $300 per taco. It's really nice.
So much we're talking about money?
Probably if you pay $800, you get like free or yeah.
Yeah, but for 3 shrimp taco?
No, it was.
I don't know if it's shrimp. No, that wasn't free. I don't know if I'm
That's crazy. You are really a foodie. You are really, you're a legit foodie.
for real.
That's so cool. See, oh my God, I'm lobster. Gotta talk to me now. Gotta talk to me.
I can't.
order from Burger King for you?
Yeah.
How would ever let clean?
Everywhere.
You're joking. I really want this taco thing. Is that it? Sorry, can I put back stuff for me, please, Ken?
So everybody does feel pressure.
So the whole of you
Stress
too.
out.
One girl a customer pop up right now say, you see, a fussy face of her look so good. The years me I watch it has never, bruh, they went in. And the truth is, I'm being so honest here. I'm not even feeling no way. I must say, yes, bitch, she got my face. My friend, where's? Where your one can do? Where your one can do? They went in on me, man. I'm trying to talk because I know her.
You know your brother aren't difficult though.
Alright, Ash.
Right? Ken, don't.
Bruh, it is hard. Ain't nothing there. It's another one.
I feel like it's easier because it's less. I was nervous about your brother's picture, you know?
Because there's nothing there.
But because it's nothing very good shape, it's
That's right. I can get any brow shape I want. I love that. But I also like who already have brows with a nice little arch. It's less products you use and it looks
Kim did your brows in like 3 seconds. I don't know what she's talking about. Her girl, bye. Like, when watching the video, she did your brows in like half a second.
I want something for you actually.
Oh,
I left it at home, sorry.
you kill me!
Ken, I'm so sorry I'm bothering you. But I just really have Google the menu a while of my life. Look up on Instagram and Chilitos. And I want much for them shrimp taco.
Okay. So go on it?
Yeah.
You have to go and cut the line.
Go up and cut the line.
There's a website, you know, so.
What's the longest ever spent with somebody's makeup? What's your, the taco place, but she said I forgot upon.
Right, so I'm on there.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
on Taco Bell.
Chilito Tuesdays.
Oh.
Or something like that. I just want a shrimp taco.
Okay!
She doesn't want to say chilito too.
I just want a shrimp taco. That's what I want. I was thinking of getting me some mini facility and stuff for them. But I'm gonna have two, this and the other one. We were yesterday. That's all I have. I get them a shop door, them I get them door, them never look good now. No, where they were making way to that look clean. It's one with you. I'm not with that again. So
Come out here!
So they have no shrimp taco, it seems. Sorry.
can't buy from the place that look like a little bit of food and I'm really hungry. Finally get a lot. This is what I'm doing for that. What eyeshadow is he using?
This is a Morphe 35B.
That's the one that is.
Those colors are very bright.
They
That's the one
are.
that discontinued.
They discontinued.
Yes.
Oh, I can buy it once a month.
I bet so early can. I did a real few feet, man.
But now I know for the rest of the day.
It may be a period to start. That's something I have to do. But there's a certain dialogue that we're having that I want it to be heard. So if I pick and choose properly when we need it to hear.
Because I feel like filming wouldn't be the issue for me. It would just be the editing.
That's why some YouTubers are some people pay to have the videos edited. And it's expensive. Her Halloween series.
Really?
And she did like 3 or 4 skull looks back to back to back. And I said, Nikki, no! Listen to yesterday, I never visited, I can't do this.
But her skull look was.
official picture then.
No, but that's what I said.
Oh, you guys, Jesus God, this glitter, the neon pink, these lashes. Wow, Ash. Cleanse, a lot of gun, come on. A lot of gun. Nice, Ash. I can't believe you were nervous. A lot of gun. Come out of free, man. So they can see me and stuff. This is AshBeautyStudio. She works here at Mirror. Everything her social media will be spread across this video. She's gonna make an artist professional for friends, but she's professional for her team. She's an hostess. Yeah, it looks nice. Thank you so much. I love the lashes. I love the glitter. The glitter is nice. Oh my God, Ash, look yourself. I'll take some.